This is crazy, this is crazy, this is crazy. A common way that people are injured on a daily basis is what we normally call as a slip and fall. A slip and fall can occur in many different ways. It can be in a supermarket where someone slips on something that has been spilled on the floor. It can be on a sidewalk where the crack in the sidewalk may have opened up beyond where it had originally been built for. It can occur in an apartment complex where, because the apartment complex was constructed many, many years ago, the area isn't up to code and people may fall because they're unexpecting the fact that there may not be a railing or that the steps weren't correctly built. All of those present different issues and complicated issues, especially in a state such as Maryland, that has been very restrictive in the past as far as how their law applies to slip and fall. Many attorneys are very reluctant to take slip and fall cases that have resulted in injuries because in many ways they consider that Maryland has essentially said there is no more slip and fall cases to be heard, that really it is up to a pedestrian, a walker, to make sure that they're safe on their own, and that they should see the problems in front of them. We have had a significant amount of success looking closely at each individual case, and we take each individual case very, very carefully. And the reason we do that is because we find that there are mistakes that are made, that many times our clients simply could not have known about a hazard. For instance, if a building isn't kept up to code, even though it would be expected that maybe an older building could be grandfathered in, we've had success in pointing out that despite that, if a building is inherently dangerous and a person walking down the steps or walking on the sidewalk could have had no knowledge of the danger, that they ultimately still can recover for the serious injuries that they suffered as a result of falls. Because of the nature of these and the types of defendants that exist in these, such as apartment complexes, supermarkets, large-scale business owners, it's important to have the ability to go head-to-head with very well-funded law firms, very well-funded corporations, and not be willing to just simply back down or to be kowtowed by a little bit of pressure. The right experts, the right background, the right investigation can make all the difference in the world. At Portner and Shure, that's exactly what our experience has shown us that we can do. We provide the right background, the right research, the right experts, and as a result, we've been able to successfully represent plaintiffs in numerous cases involving slip and falls that have resulted in injuries and, fortunately, substantial recoveries for our clients. This is crazy, this is crazy, this is crazy.